When I came in yesterday, the greeting they showed me the process of greeting. Like, what do you have to tell us about your way of greeting, the woman way, then the men way of greeting your king or elders in, because I see that you people respect elders here a lot. Anybody that sees somebody that is older than him or her, you must show that respect to the person.
Yeah, talking about how we greet both the women and the men, we have different type of greeting. As for man, you first of all bow down, square down, sit down.
Okay, you must go down.
Yes, you must go down. Your knee must touch the ground.
Can you demonstrate?
Yeah, you must go down like this. So your cap will not be in your head. So this is how we greet our elderly one, like this, three times. So the first one is God, the second one is king, then the third one is death. So after everything, when you're about leaving, then you do two like this. The first one means the God have forgiven you, then the second one, the king. Then you have no respect for the dead. Because if God and king will forgive you, then death cannot do anything. So that is it. Then talking about the women, there is this how they do their own. But I cannot, as a man, I cannot demonstrate it.
Yes, I have to look for a woman to do it. They showed it to me. Hold it, let me show you. Let me show you that one. I've learned that one.
It's all right.
They say it's like this. I have to do it like this.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
this. For the
Yes.
third one. So if I'm going now, I will not do like, if I'm going, I will do like this.
Yeah.
I will
Yes.
not do like this.
Yes. That is it.
So that's the way of greeting. Good afternoon,
Good
sir. Good
afternoon.
afternoon. I greet
Good
you. I
afternoon.
greet you. I'm Dimma Arts and Craft, and you?
I'm Chishizando by Jukun by Trap.
Okay. What about you?
I am Nelson Hikun by tribe, by name. Jukun by tribe.
So this is your
Ready for
dressing.
why?
This is your dressing. Now I'm wearing your dressing representing princess of Jukun land.
Okay, this one is from this Wanu, Jukun Wanu. We have Jukun Wanu, Jukun Wapa, Jukun Takun. All of we are part of Korofa Kingdom, but we have our
Separate,
normal
separate
separate
uniform.
uniform.
Okay, so once you see somebody wearing this one, you know the part the person from. You see the person wearing this one, you know the part the person from.
This one from Jukun Ukari. Wanu their own is different. Jukun Takum their own is different.
So anywhere you're going to represent your tribe, now you must dress like
I
this.
was just like this. I
So
was
anybody
dressed
that
like
sees
this.
like this know they're from Jukun.
I'm from Jukun by Trap.
Okay. But
Mm.
you're not wearing your cap now. Like this other
If
person.
you see any person who wear cap is an elderly man.
Are you
Inside
an
tribe.
elderly man?
No, we have our shrine. If you wear cap, you are an elderly man. You have a tattoo in your shrine. That's why you wear cap. You understand?
Yes.
So now I don't have a tattoo. I can't wear cap. Yes, that is it.
So what are people doing today?
We have our brother, our uncle from Jalingo. Now then give him tattoo king of Gidan Idi Akun Wachobu Okari. Akun Wacho of Gidan Idi, third clad. Now that's the day we come to celebrate with him. We bring him from Gidan Idi to Okari to Akuka Palace to come and greet him uncle in father, the king of Okari, before we carry him back to the place where he's supposed to stay. That's why we are here today.
When they crown the person, you must come and
Greet
greet the king
the
before you go
senior,
back and
go back
sit
and
as a
sit
king.
as the king. That is it. That's it. That's why we came here today.
But the man, he was not wearing your traditional clothes.
They never give him the rightful of the king. That's why.
See tradition, oh. So because
No,
they've not given you the
from
rightful.
here, maybe like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, they will give him the rifle before he go enter the house.
Before you now start dressing like a
Just like a
full
full king.
crown king.
Yeah,
Wow.
that is it.
That's fancy.
Yeah.
So what and what can you see in a Jukun man and know that yes, this is a full Jukun man?
As you see me, you know, say I be Jukun. You know, see how this sweater come out from my body. We know they do this kind. Our culture we are normally doing April, February, March, April. We can't do our culture rainy season.
You can't
We're
do
not
it.
supposed to wear these slippers as we wear now.
Okay.
We're supposed to work out with
Empty leg.
empty like
Yes.
this. We're not supposed to work out with
So anywhere
slippers.
you're going to, no matter how the hot,
Hot.
you must go with barefoot.
It's true. That is it.
When I wanted to snap picture, the man said I should remove my slippers.
But now, if you remove your slippers for this sun now, you go see your leg don't tire. That
Yes.
is it.
There's some people that I saw that plait their hair two, three. What's
That's
the meaning?
our culture, our greeting culture. You see three. One, God. Two, the dead. King. Three, dead. That is it. Three.
But you cannot see anybody wearing that hair. There must
No,
be a particular
you
person.
can't put this attached or something.
It must be natural hair.
Natural hair.
Your natural hair. But can anybody, any man from here wake up and start with, or you must get to a age, or there's something you do before you start making your hair like that?
No, there are some criteria that you may come across first before doing it. It's either you're a title man, or you represent a title man, or you must represent something in your family.
Before you do your hair like that.
Yes. You cannot just wake up one day and start doing it. It's not for everybody. So once you see something like that, it means this person is from this place, is from this clan, is from this house, is from this royal family. Yeah. This one you're doing in your hair, you do the same thing. This is how our women do their hair.
This is the woman hairstyle there.
Yeah, this is how they do their hair. So once you see someone, a woman with this kind of hairstyle, she must be a princess or a queen or a queen mother. She must come from these three.
Criteria.
Yes. So talking about we wearing slippers or shoe in our legs, we don't do that because each time we are about to do our tradition or doing to do our program or something, you don't wear slippers, you don't wear shirt. That particular day, you don't know how the sun is. You will not feel anything.
You will not feel any pain.
You will not feel any pain. Once you're in the process, you don't feel any pain. You will not be tired unless you're done with what you're supposed to be doing.
So is it why, like yesterday when you were celebrating, I saw some women, they were not wearing clothes. Is it the same?
No.
Okay, that one
That
is
one is
different.
another rituals. This one now is a coronation. Today is just a confirmation that this person is confirmed to be the third class of the Gidan Idi clan. So in due time now, the Akuka himself will assume him, will give him the right to take on his office. So at his stand now is just a confirmation. They just confirm you. But the right, the tradition, they never do it yet. Maybe from today they will fix a date for that. Yes.
You have
It's
to pass through all this process before you now sit
yes.
as a king.
There are some process you must pass through before you sit on the throne first. So as it stands now, it's just I don't know how to say it, but in our own dialect we call it Atunkan.
Atunkan.
Yes, it's a title that when it is given to you, no one can take it out from you unless you are no more.
Okay, once they give you that title, nobody will take it away from
Nobody,
you.
not even the governor, not even the president. The only person that can take away that title in you is God and dead. Yes. So that's why there are some process you need to follow first.
Before assuming that
Yes,
title.
assuming that title or the throne.
There's traditional.
So the last ritual is the shrine where everything will happen. There's the last ritual, the last coronation.
Okay, after here.
Yes,
They
this
will not
place
take
is
you
now
to
he is now taking an advice from his father, from his royal father. Then from here, maybe a day or after, they will set a date again for him to be fully crowned as the king of the Gideon. Yes.
All this process must be done before
Must be
crowning
done
him.
before assuming the
There's
throne.
no any way say they maneuver anything.
You can never skip one out of it. If there should do like 1 million rituals, you are to pass through all it. You can never skip one out of it. And each ritual has its date, its time.
Of performing it.
Yes, you cannot skip it.
Hey,
Yes. So
tradition
the
dey.
reason of that is, we Jukun people, we only respect three things in this world. Like you said earlier, you were asking my brother that the three platinum of hair, the meaning. One, it signifies God. You only, as a human being, as a Jukun man, you only fear God first. Then secondly, you fear your king. Then third, death. Then after that, we still have another one. After the three, we have two again. Then
Because I see some people play two.
the two signifies the king the God himself have forgiven you, the king have forgiven you, then you overpower death. So that time you cannot bow down to him again. You are above him. That is it.
I want to ask you again. When I came in yesterday, the greeting they showed me the process of greeting. Like, what do you have to tell us about your way of greeting, the women way, then the men way of greeting your king or elders because I see that you people respect elders here a lot. Anybody that sees somebody that is older than him or her, you must show that respect to the person.
Yeah, talking about how we greet both the women and the men, we have different type of greeting. As for man, you first of all bow down, square down, sit down.
Okay, you must go down.
Yes, you must go down. Your knee must touch the ground.
Can you demonstrate?
Yeah, you must go down like this.
Okay.
So your cap will not be in your head. So this is how we greet our elderly one, like this,
Okay.
three times. So the first one is God, the second one is king, then the third one is death. So after everything, when you're about leaving, then you do two like this. The first one means the king have forgiven you. The second one, no, the first one, the God have forgiven you. Then the second one, the king. Then you have no respect for the dead, because if God and king will forgive you, then death cannot do anything. So that is it. Then talking about the women, there is this how they do their own, but I cannot, as a man, I cannot demonstrate it.
Yes, I have to look for a woman to do it. They showed it to me. Hold it, let me show you. Let me show you that one. I've learned that one.
It's all right.
They say it's like this. I have to do it like this.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
this. For the
Yes.
third one. So if I'm going now, I will not do like if I'm going, I will do like this.
Yeah.
I will not
Yes.
do like this.
Yes. That is it.
So that's the way of breathing. So what did it mean by cleaning the floor?
The cleaning the floor is simple as forgiving everything. You don't carry any grudges with you again. You left everything there.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow, wow. People have culture, I swear. People have culture. And people respect your culture
Yeah,
very
yeah,
well.
yeah. We have to respect our culture, because we were born and brought up in the culture. We cannot divert from it. As you can see, the biggest church in this town is just close by the palace.
Okay, this is the biggest church in this town.
Yes. Is the
Close by the palace.
Yes, the reason why the church is close by the palace is for the prince and the princess of the palace. If you wish to go to the church,
Can go
you
there.
can go there. It's not far from your house. And for the king cannot go and worship in the church. He has church in his palace, where if he can go to church, he can worship there. He don't have to go to the church except for thanksgiving or something. But talking about worship, no, he cannot go to the church because he cannot take off his
Cap.
cap.
Okay.
So that is the reason.
So because he cannot take off his cap, that is why he cannot go to
The
church.
king cannot take off his cap, no matter how the condition may be.
So even if president is here and king cannot take off the cap to
The
greet him.
only person that is above our king is only God.
God.
Yes.
More tradition. It's
Our
only
king,
God.
our king cannot shake any ordinary human being. Yes. for my king, for our Jukun king to shake someone, it means something. Because he cannot just wake up and shake you or collect something directly from you. No, you don't do that.
So what if he's sitting and somebody brought hand to shake him?
No, that one is his own decision to accept the shaking or not. Yes, but as a human being, you are not. You don't have the right to bring
Go
to
straight to
state.
shake him.
He will be the one to shake you first. But you don't. You cannot shake him. He will be the one to bring his hand first before you shake him back. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you
You're
for your
welcome.
time. Thank you for explaining a lot about your culture.
You're welcome.
I have seen a lot of cultures about you people. Well, greeting, respect, the food, everything. Like you people have unique culture, and you people are still keeping that culture right from olden days till now, like this.
We have the record of our first king till date.
Till date.
Yes.
Are you a historian?
No, I read sociology in school. I'm reading criminology right now. But we have the histories, both from the first king to the last one. If you go into the palace by your left hand, you will see the picture, their names, and their dates.
Right
It's
from the
all
first king
the
till date.
first king till date. All is written there. So we don't have any hidden history or
History.
yes. Our history is just open for everyone to come and know. So what our people are trying to do now is to build a museum somewhere here so that when the tourists will come, you have the opportunity to
Go
see.
around and see things that happened then and see
Yes,
happening.
when the first clothes the king worn with the shoes, everything you will see it is still the all those things are still there. Yeah.
Thank you very much. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
your time. Thank
Thank
you
you
so
very much.
much.
You're
You
welcome.
look quiet. You see, a lot of things I would have missed from you now.
That is it now.
Thank you very much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Thank you.